Welcome. Today we're going to talk about computational thinking, a problem-solving technique that's valuable in today's world. Computational thinking is a way of solving problems by breaking them into smaller tasks and using algorithms, which are simply steps to complete those tasks, and logical thinking. It's not just for computer scientists and programmers, it's for everyone in everyday life. In maths, computational thinking allows you to break problems down into smaller pieces and use algorithms and logical thinking to solve problems that might seem impossible at first. In science, computational thinking helps you collect and analyse data and make predictions on that data. By using computational thinking, you can identify patterns and relationships that otherwise may be hidden. In group projects, computational thinking helps you collaborate and work with others to solve problems together. By developing your computational thinking skills, you can become a more creative and effective problem solver. So, what skills are involved in computational thinking? Decomposition, breaking down a problem into smaller, more manageable pieces. Algorithmic thinking, developing a step-by-step solution to a problem. Abstraction, identifying the key elements of a problem and ignoring extraneous details. Pattern recognition, identifying similarities and differences among different elements of a problem. Logical thinking, applying rules and reasoning to solve problems. Generalization, applying a solution from one problem to another similar problem. Evaluation, assessing the effectiveness of a solution to a problem and making improvements as needed. Collaboration, working with others to solve a problem. So here's an example problem where we can try some decomposition, some algorithmic thinking, and some abstraction. I would like you to add 1 to 200 on all the numbers between. But I'd like you to do that in your head, and you've only got 30 seconds. Ready? Go. 1 to 200, all the numbers in between, including 1, including 200. 20 seconds to go. In your head, no calculators. Keep going. Nearly there yet? Okay, nearly. Okay, so just pause the video there and see if anyone has the correct answer, and then I'm going to go through the answer. Now, the first question I want to ask you is, who did not even try that? Hands up who just didn't even give it a go. Absolutely, there will be quite a few of you, because that's a huge problem to do in that short space of time. But we need to break this down into smaller, a more manageable and easier to see pattern. So this is how we're going to do it. So we know that 1 plus 200 equals 201. Whoops. But also, did you think that 2 plus 199 equals 201? 3 plus 198 equals 201. You can now see a pattern. And now what we know is we've got 100 of these numbers. So what we know is we've got 201 times 100. And now this problem is a lot more simplified. So what we end up with is 20,100. And that's the answer. And that's how you can do that problem in your head in 30 seconds using computational thinking.